Kung pagod ka na sa ingay at stress ng city life, eto ang perfect spot para makahanap ng tahimik at talaga namang relaxing na lugar. Hi, I'm Ivan, your ahenteng guro, and welcome to Mountain View Leisure Community. Alam naman natin na ang kalsada hindi lang yan basang daan. It's actually your key para sa access at connectivity ng buong community. Ang road construction at ang road tracing ang nagbibigay ng foundation sa development na ito. Eto, tingnan ninyo kung gaano ka-precise ang road tracing process. Every inch, every line, carefully planned para hindi lang naman bastang maganda, functional din. Kasi alam naman natin, hindi lang to bastaan. It's your key to your future, literally. Dahil ongoing ang road construction, ito ang magiging daan ng buong community. Mula sa main gate, papunta sa amenities, sa inyong mga bahay, and yes, papunta sa Korean restaurant. So ayan, habang tuloy-tuloy ang construction, unti-unti ring nabubuo ang community na ito. Maayos na kalsada, secure na gate entrance, at pati na rin ang mga amenities like Korean restaurant. Hindi lang ito basta development. This is about building your future. Speaking of which, ito ang Korean restaurant dito sa community. At kahit ongoing pa ang construction, they have managed to open their doors and serve authentic Korean food to locals. Imagine after a long day of work, you can drop by here, enjoy some kimchi and bulgogi, and just relax. Huwag mo nang hintayin ang perfect moment mo dahil eto na yon. Mountain View Leisure Community is ready for you, and now is your sign to make your dream a reality.